back to AW Smart Repairs and Blackstad Styling. In today we've got a Ford Fiesta ST, nice looking car. It's in to have Alloygators fitted, black exclusive Alloygators. First we're going to do a safety check they're going to fit on safely and stay on the vehicle, which they are lovely.
Okay, so with that ad, the rim of the wheel mustn't go over the green.
Basically mustn't go over the green line there, or the black line as such.
Fantastic, lovely.
So they all fit lovely. So in there nice and snug, so they should stay on the car lovely.
Superb.
Next we've just got to put clips into the actual Alloygators themselves. It's just a metal clip which helps secure them onto the wheel.
And there you go. Is there a certain amount of them that have to be fitted?
Yeah, so they're 18-inch wheels. They're very easy to do, numbered up to number 18. So yeah, we just do up to number 18 and we're all good.
Let's just have a closer up so they go.
Find it now. All the way around here to number 18.
Fantastic. Okay, lovely. Carry on, pal, carry on.
Carry on. Back with you shortly.
So in the Alloygator box, in the exclusive box, what comes in the kit, Adam?
Right, so you get 4 Alloygators themselves, and then you get the plastic clips, the connecting clips, a little tube of glue, metal clips to put in, and then the safety checker.
Yeah, the little measuring gauge, yeah. Brilliant.
So, right, we're going to jack the vehicle up now and deflate the tyres, and put these Alloygators on there.
Lovely. Always make sure, people, when you're jacking your car up, you make sure you find the correct jacking point on the car.
Yeah.
And don't jack up on the sill or on the side skirt.
You'll soon rip that side skirt off.
You'll need to bring it into us for some repairs as well. So just letting the air out the tyre. Okay, so now all the air's out the tyre.
Right, so now we're just going to lubricate around the rim of the wheel. Just using soapy water for this, just to help the Alloygator inbreathe. Right, here goes then.
So where do we start when we're
So basically we always fit them next to the valve, just so we get all 4 exactly the same, and all looking matching.
Okay, which end do you start with?
So we start with this end here. I don't know if you can see, it's hard to describe, but the sort of cut toothed end.
That's right, we'll zoom in. Okay, yeah, so the toothed end, that is it?
Yep. Yeah,
okay,
so
starting right near the valve.
Yeah, right next to the valve, and we're using a rubber blow hammer just to tap it in like that. We sort of start it off like that, little way round. We're going to tap the other way just to tap it in.
Okay, and then slowly work your way around the...
Yep, round the wheel, so we got it in. Checking all the clips going nicely, that one's not. We'll push that in.
Okay. And then using the rubber hammer, that'll stop any damage to the wheels.
Yep, there's no damage to the Alloygator or the wheel itself.
I'd say take your time when you're doing this as well, really, on that.
Yeah, we fit a few of them and we don't hang about. But you've never done it before, you want to take a little bit of time, with care.
Well done, Adam.
Thank you, Mark.
Be proud of you, mate.
You will be proud.
I'm going to be proud.
Right, so now we're all the way round. We're going to cut it to size.
Okay, so before you cut it,
So basically, we use these little snippers here, which are very good.
hang on.
And just mark it in the correct place.
Okay.
3 mil from the other end.
Yeah, 3 mil.
From the bit we first tapped in.
Okay.
We just mark it like that first. Pull it out a little bit. Find our little Mark. He's over there, isn't you? Little Mark. And snip it off. Right, so we're just going to tap the rest of it in. With a little bit of glue. Which I haven't got out yet, it's not very organised. So we just put just a little dab of glue just on the where it connects to the other half.
Okay.
It's literally just a drop, just to help secure it in.
And that's all in the kit, isn't it, the glue?
Yeah.
Okay, if I just come in
Quite
there.
stiff to open. There we go, let's try again. That's it.
Okay, so you've got a small amount of glue in there. And then as that pushes into the teeth, that will help secure it.
Yep, and then the last bit,
There we
just
go.
have to make sure you get into the toothed bit there.
Okay, and then
The last little tap in. Then what we do is we re-inflate the tyre to about 15 psi.
so the gap we leave where the join is, as you can just see there, and then the cover will cover over the top of that.
Yeah,
the
so then we'll
joining
glue the joining clip on at the end and that'll cover that over.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you, Mark.
Okay, so that's all pretty much all fitted. What we're doing now?
Yep, so right, we're going to put 15 psi in there now, and then we're just going to go around the rim again, tapping it in, to make sure it's all nicely honed, and then we'll put the pressure right up to what it should be.
Okay.
Right, so 15 psi. Now literally just going to go around, just tapping it in. Right, and then we'll inflate it to full pressure, which is 32 psi.
Lovely.
And just to finish it off, all we do is put the securing clip on.
Okay.
Just glues into place. Good to have glue on each end. That's all you
Okay,
need.
and that's just show us that that's on the. Let me get the glue on this. That's on the clip
It's just on the clip
to
there
cover
like
the
that.
join. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Just use a little bit of activate spray to help the glue go off nice and quick. That for a couple of seconds and we're there.
I just hope you haven't glued your finger to
I
it.
hope not. Done it before, I have to admit. Very hard. Look at that.
Lovely. There we go, and that's one black exclusive Alloygator, all fitted to the wheel.
Just 3 more to go. back to AW Smart Repairs and Blackstad Styling. Let's start again. Forgot the name of Blackstad Styling bit.
Forgot where he
Forgot
worked.
what colour it was. I was doing a yellow step. Yeah, mate, you watch this one at the end. Best one we've done. Best one we've done this. It's got 4 million views. He hasn't even posted it yet.